Here we are making some delicious omelette. A lot of peppers, tomatoes, mushroom. Alright. Oh boy, we have eggs here. He's whipping up some eggs. This cameraman. That's a new whip. There we go. Smash that egg. Smash this egg. There we go. Getting the feel of it.
And I'm telling you, I'm getting hungry, so.
Oh, that is so good. Delicious. Oh my god. And all those beautiful colors. We have some nice spices.
A little
Smash
jerk.
it up there. Does it look good or not?
Okay.
We have some spinach. Gonna dump it all in. I love spinach, so I need extra spinach. And